Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9526A. 78,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, black granite metallic in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles per gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.